Creating a website with Relume Website Builder is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to create your own website using Relume Website Builder. To begin, open your web browser and search for Relume Website Builder. Navigate to the first website listed in the search results. Once on the website, follow these basic procedures. Start by creating a quick account. After creating your account, you can utilize AI to design your site automatically or opt to design it manually. First, identify the site map and how your website will function. Then, identify the features you want to include. Next, proceed to edit your site. Carefully review for any mistakes and make necessary edits to fix them. Once your site is perfect, create a wireframe, which is the structure of your website. With Relume's drag and drop interface, creating a wireframe is easy. Finally, add your desired features, photos, and content to complete the wireframes according to your preferences. And that's it! You've successfully created your website on Relume. I hope you find this tutorial helpful.